This is Garlands Road level crossing in Woolston in Christchurch. Now, this is a fairly old level crossing and I've been wanting to film this one for quite a while now, as it is now officially the only level crossing left in Christchurch with mechanical bells. So what do we have? We've got two Griswold barrier mechanisms, as you can see. We've got two sets of Griswold signal cone lights which have been retrofitted to LEDs on either side of the crossing. And then we've got a set of Montrose of Penrose LED lights over there. Even though you can't see the back, I can confirm they're definitely Montrose of Penrose. And then we've got two Griswold mechanical bells on either side of the crossing, as you can see. So yeah, it's a fairly old level crossing, this one, so yeah, there's not really much else so yeah, it's a fairly simple setup here, so there's not really much else to see here. So with that said and done, let's now go and wait for a train.